You got the best of both worlds. You're the kind of girl who can take down a man and lift him back up again. You are strong, but you're needy, humble, but you're greedy, and based on your body language and shoddy cursive I've been reading, your style is quite selective, though your mind is rather reckless. Well, I guess it just suggests that this is just what happiness is. On a beautiful mess, this is, yes. It's like we're picking up trash in dresses. Well, it kind of hurts when the kind of words you write kind of turn themselves into knives and don't mind my nerve. Who you could call it fiction, but I like being submerged in your contradictions, dear. 'Cause here we are, here we are. You are biased, I love your advice. Your comebacks, they're quick and probably have to do with your insecurities. There's no shame in being crazy, depending on how you take these words. I'm paraphrasing this relationship we are staging. What a beautiful mess this is. It's like we're picking up trash in dresses. Well, it kind of hurts when the kind of words you say kind of turn themselves into blades. A kind and courteous is a life I've heard, but it's so nice to say that we played in the dirt. Oh, 'cause here we are. Here we are. Here we are now. Here we are now. Here we are now. Here we are now. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. We're still here. Oh, what a beautiful mess. This it's like we're taking a guess when the only answer is yes. And through timeless words and priceless pictures, we will fly like birds, not of this earth. Tides may turn and the hearts disfigure, but that's no concern when we're wounded together, and we tore our dresses and we stained our shirts, but it's so nice today. Well, it was so